Welcome to another video of achieving AI productivity using Gemini Enterprise. All of these agents, series of agents are going to be created under 2 minutes, and you will be able to achieve significant productivity outcome. That is the motive of this video series. This agent is survey analysis agent doing data analysis on Excels and CSVs and Google Sheets are most important things for business analytics. Let's create an agent that does analysis for you in a particular format. This data set is a publicly available public library data, and this data can be seen here. This is the data set. You can download this data set for practicing it with me. In order to download this, you have the GitHub repository link in the video description section below. You would see this data, survey data analysis, data sheet 1 CSV. And if you want to link to the file where we create these agents, this is the link which goes here. This shows you step by step to create the agent as we are showing you here. So here you go back to the agent, you say, please analyze this public data library survey data, and it gives you step-by-step analysis of this data set as what you want. And then if you would like to create a histogram, you can create histogram here right on Gemini Enterprise. Let's see how to quickly build this. So I go to Gemini Enterprise. On the left-hand side, if this is not expanded, please expand it. You can click on agents. Alternatively, you can click on new agent here to create a new agent. Click on new agent and say proceed to builder. It'll give you an option. If you need more real estate, just hide this and click on this box. And this is the title, description, and the instructions. Just copy paste the title, description, and the details directly over here from the sheet. The sheet is available as a link in the GitHub repository. So I'm going to copy as is, and then see how easy it is, step by step. What it does is it analyzes the service data for survey topic, survey data, and then it's in this format. You can obviously change it the way you would like. The model, let's select 3.1 Pro, leave as it is. Click on create. Voila, the agent is created. Let's chat with this agent. I'm going to upload file, the survey data, and then here what the prompt you need is directly written here in the prompt for testing. Just copy this and use this. That's it. You are able to create a quick agent within 5 minutes in order to do analysis. You can do analysis on sales data or any other data format that you would like to create. And it is going to show you the data set. Voila. This is already, it'll ask you this, and you are going to see the results. So again, this is ready and ready to be used. You can create histograms, bar charts, and things like that. Cool. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this helps.